guys, welcome back to Kuma Reviews. What we got today is Flame Toys, Kuri. What number is it? Oh 05. This is their Megatron. This is a Stealth Bomber Megatron from the IDW Comics. This isn't going to be a full review. That'll be up tomorrow. Right now, we're just doing a quick unboxing, though, so you guys can see what's in here. Just a fair warning that this is the D4 Toys exclusive version, so there are going to be some pieces in here that you might not get with the American release version, which is distributed by Blueprint, I believe. So as you guys can see, this is nice and fresh and sealed. I don't know why I didn't do that before, but it took seconds. So just making sure it's focused here really quick. I want to give you guys a look at the box itself. Pretty standard fare. I mean, their boxes are awesome. I love the thickness of the cardboard and stuff like that. I love the layout of the graphics and things. But it's pretty samey amongst them. Even like the bot placement and then the different poses and things like that on the back. I mean, it's what it is. But what it is good. So these have the magnetic clips on the side. You open it up. And you've got some artwork that extends there. Alright. And from there you've got Megatron. It looks like his huge mace. I don't know exactly. Oh, this is a suitcase with the exclusive pieces in there. We'll look at that in a second too, as well as his variety of hands. He's got an additional face there. I don't know how many he's supposed to come with. I know the exclusive has an extra one, but yeah. I'll actually move that to the side. Under here, it's his wing pack, as well as all of his ornaments, and at the very bottom, his stand. Let's go ahead and get this all unboxed so you guys can take a look at the actual contents. Okay, normally I unbox every single thing, but I had to do a bunch of the pieces and stuff like that, just for the sake of getting that big box out of the way. I have a lot of space, but I ain't got that kind of lot of space. So we got this plastic sheet here. Comes with, of course, Megatron himself. Make sure he's all focused and pretty, and yeah. Yeah, it's freaking beautiful. Got that giant mace wrapped up very nicely, which is appreciated. Now, one thing I'm surprised not to have seen yet is the batteries for it. So, we're going to see if maybe it's underneath here or something like that. If not, that's kind of a shame. Alright, that's what it looks like. This slides in. And then this. Multiple levels of articulation on that guy. Got an additional face over here. Kind of a grimacing face. Which we'll put here. And then all of these hands, just dumping them out. Get those organized in a second. Okay, so we got Megatron here. I went ahead and assembled the wing pack already. This came pre-assembled, so we're just getting parts attached to them quick, per the instructions. So that, boom, and boom. Okay, looks good to me. That's a lot of Megatron. Not even gonna lie. All right. So we're just going through the instructions and seeing, because we got some swords here. Of course, we've got, that's just freaking cool, the fact that he comes with himself. I wonder if that's the actual core for like the gun and stuff like that. I bet it is. These guys. These genius guys. What in the heck? That's cool. Wow. Alright, we'll get that assembled in a second. That's freaking neat. Alright. But he's got some swords here. I'm kind of wondering where those go. I know he's got some gauntlets as well. Maybe the swords go in that back piece over here. But I noticed that he has these two pieces. Okay. Okay. Making sure we're still in focus here. Alright. Yeah, we're going to figure out where these swords go together. I'm looking through the instructions, and darn it, I am absolutely not seeing a spot. Not at all. That is weird. Okay, so look through the instructions, did not see anywhere for the swords to go. Maybe I'll figure that out by the time I get it reviewed, if there's anywhere for the swords to go, but I don't think so, and it's really, really odd. I'm surprised there are no, like, hip holsters or anything like that for it, but again, don't know what I'll figure out. Alright, so, got the mace, got the first head, figured out that he actually has a holster for himself. The craziest thing. This figure has a lot going on, but it fits in pretty well. Okay. And the bonus suitcase, let me make sure that's focused, comes with an additional screaming face, which we'll of course go over in the review. Boom. As well as its intended use as storage for all of these parts and the like. So, I mean, I don't exactly know how this goes. The instructions, I don't believe show it. It'd be great if they did. Nope. Looking through them. That's crazy that they really don't. But I'll figure it out. I'm sure, like, in the pictures and stuff like that, pre-release, they've got to go somewhere. But basically, this is additional storage for those pieces. Alright? But just for the sake of giving an overview of what you're getting in the box, you saw that the suitcase and the face are the exclusive parts, but you have, of course, the hands down here, his swords, the additional faces. I don't know if that's supposed to be yelling or just Cloud 9, but the case itself, not the rifle. There, of course, is Megatron himself. This is a big figure. Let me go ahead and get a measurement real quick. He is about 8¼ inches tall to his head. Make sure that the wings on this side are all the way up. They just looked uneven when I was doing that. And just for a quick size comparison. At first I was going to wait till the review to do this, but got one of my primes off the shelf. Got a couple of them. Yeah. Just a little bit taller than Prime, so pretty cool stuff. But yeah, we'll get the full review up tomorrow. I believe tomorrow is, what, the 10th of February, 2021? So we'll get that up bright and early for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing. If you have any questions or concerns, comments, anything like that, leave it in the comment section, of course. Order yours at TF Source. Link will be in the description. And look forward to seeing you when I get this reviewed.